Hi guys, Derek here with The Closet Doctor, and I just wanted to give you a quick update before the weekend. Hope everybody has a good Easter weekend. My guys worked real hard this week and we have finished up. We've got power hooked up, dust collection all hooked up, went through everything. And yesterday morning, our CNC router arrived. We were able to unload it. Had a rigging company here that unloaded it. They did a great job. They drove it through those two front doors there with a forklift on roller skates. Put it in place. We've got the machine all leveled, unpacked, just about everything hooked up. We'll hook up electricals hooked up. We're going to hook up air and dust collection on Monday. We're waiting for a part in that'll connect that to our dust collection system over here. And then the factory technician will be here either Tuesday afternoon, possibly Tuesday, scheduled for Wednesday, and we will get working on that. Is what he does. He runs through the machine, helps us get all of our tooling in it, gets the machine operational, make sure it's working good. And then we work with our software guys to get everything to talk, our design program to talk to our CNC machine. And from there, we'll start cutting parts. We've got an offload table that's gonna come in here. Parts will come off of here and they'll go right here through our edge bander and out. We're in a really small space compared to what we had before, but it's gonna work out really good. It's gonna be a little tight, but we will do good. And so we're looking that following weekend, we should be busting parts out, and so we can start scheduling installation. So you'll probably, those of you that are awaiting installations, you'll start hearing from Cindy end of next week, and we'll start scheduling for the following week is the plan. If anything happens, we'll keep you posted, but that's probably the next thing you're gonna get is a phone call from us saying, hey, we're ready to roll. So thank you very much for your patience. Have a great Easter weekend.